Hey everybody, this is Rob.
And Miko.
And we're
Wander Open Roads.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure. So we were camping in Clermont, Florida, not too far outside of Orlando, and we stumbled upon Lake Louisa State Park, which is a really nice park. It's just a few miles from the Thousand Trails in Clermont off of Highway 27. And it is a really great place for biking, if that's what you're into, which we are definitely into. It actually has 7 miles of paved roads and over 20 miles of unpaved multi-use trails for visitors to bike on. Now, if you mountain bikes or fat tire bikes are definitely advised for the off-road trails. There's a lot of sand. We actually have 4-inch tires on our mountain bikes, and it definitely handled that sand with no problem. The park is open from 8 a.m. until sundown, and there's a $2 charge per bicyclist to get in, or if you're in a car, it's $5 for the vehicle. So definitely an inexpensive, fun day. There's some beautiful lake areas with picnic areas. They have the picnic pavilions, restrooms, and all that stuff. So definitely a nice place to pack a lunch and just come out and ride for the day. Like I said, 20 miles of unpaved multi-use trails that are really nice. And this is just outside of Orlando. So if you're in that area and you're looking for something fun and inexpensive to do, it's definitely something to check out.
Check out our Wander Open Roads travel gear shop in Etsy. Click on the link in the description.
Now, the nice thing about this part of Central Florida is, you can come out here and ride year-round. Obviously in the summertime it's going to be a little hot, but this was actually in February when we were riding. It was very comfortable. So we do ride e-bikes, and with the e-bikes, there were no restrictions on e-bikes at this park. Florida is obviously pretty flat. There are a few hills in a few different areas. This is actually kind of if there is a hilly part of Florida, north of Orlando is really kind of considered the hilly part of Florida, believe it or not. But there wasn't anything that, most of the time we were in no pedal assist, so level 0, or we were either in a pedal assist 1 mode, so definitely nothing that you can't handle. Although we actually rode to our RV campground, and on 27 there are some pretty dramatic hills, so I think we got up to a level pedal assist 2 on that. But within the park, everything is fairly level. Nothing too big in terms of inclines. Thanks for joining us for another Wander Open Roads adventure, and we will see you next time.
Wander safely.